Hi there, my name's Richard Kastler, and I am a Partner Success Manager for the Americas here at Daytech. And I also support the Indian region as well. So I just wanted to take a minute and say thank you very much to CADD Centre for some of the wonderful work that you've been doing over the last little while. We started this relationship over a year ago, and we at Daytech here are very excited about the expertise and the reach that CADD Centre gives us in the Indian market. Starting with 25 individual sites and working our way up hopefully to well over 150, we feel that this relationship is very strategic for the Indian market, and we feel that CADD Centre is going to help us with our goal of expanding the reach of the Autodesk Authorized Training Centre program to many, many areas within India. So thank you very much, CADD Centre, for all that you do. We appreciate this relationship that we have, and we look forward to many more years to come. Thank you.